If you've ever dreamed of studying in Brazil, then you are in for a special treat today. We are diving into one of the most exciting and interesting scholarship opportunities in Brazil. Through this program, you can study at top universities across Brazil for free. Yes, you heard that right. No tuition fees and you will be paid stipend. Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel and thank you for your loyalty and for your support. The scholarship program is a fantastic scholarship opportunity for international students to pursue undergraduate studies in Brazil. As a matter of fact, almost all the universities in Brazil ask students that came through this PEC-G, and guess what? Call for application for 2025 is already out. But before we get into detail, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more updates about scholarship in Brazil, study abroad opportunities, and other information that could add to your knowledge base. So what exactly is PEC-G program? The word PEC-G stands for Programmatic Studentship Convenient Graduate Sound, and it actually translates to the undergraduate student exchange program. It's designed to offer undergraduate education to international students from participating countries. To be eligible for this amazing opportunity, number one, you must be a national and resident of a country participating in the PEC-G program. Then you must not be Brazilian or have Brazilian parents. You should not have a visa or resident permit for Brazil except for a tourist visa. The next one, you must be at least 18 years old by the date specified in the call notice. The next one, you need to have completed or be completing your secondary education, or otherwise known as high education. Next one, your high school average must be at least 60%, which is equivalent to like C grade. If it is you, your brother, your cousin, or whoever you know that might be interested, I would advise you to kindly share this video, this information with the person, because the process is very seamless. You know that in Brazil, anytime they want to roll out the scholarship, they usually give like a time frame. So this particular one also has a time frame starting from, the call has been out since June 24th or thereabout, but everything is going to end in between this July. One of the interesting thing about this PEC-G is that before now, if you want to apply for PEC-G, you would have started learning Portuguese from your home country. For instance, if you want to apply for PEC-G from Ghana, you would have started learning Portuguese from Ghana. You would have, start learning. Then you go to the embassy in Ghana and tell them that, look, I've been learning this, and you think you would have registered for your self-employed as well. Then you show them documents that certify this claim, that prove this claim. Then they can forward your application. But right now, it is very, very easy. If you are interested in PEC-G, just go to the consular or the consulate office, the Brazilian consulate office in your home country, made known your interest and tell them that, just made known your interest, and they will guide you on how to go about it. One thing that is exciting about it is you necessarily don't need to start learning Portuguese before leaving your home country. If you start, it is good, but if you can't afford to start learning, it is still fine. Once you get to Brazil, the first thing you're going to be enrolled for will be for Portuguese class. So once you are done learning, you can now sit for the exam, and once you pass, you can start your program. If you are interested, just go to the Brazil Consulate General in your country and make known your interest, okay, that you heard about this information and you would like to be involved. Before I do this video, I actually make a contact with the person that is in charge of the PEC-G. Yes, in Nigeria. I'm sorry, I may not be able to share the information of this person, but what if you are interested, just try to go to the Brazilian consulate or write an email. You can get the email on the website and tell them that you are interested and you would like to be part of it, and they will ask you to bring your documents and they will give you other necessary information. But I'm doing this video to bring to your notice that there is an opportunity for you to do your BSc in Brazil, and the call is currently on. But there are some details that still need to be added, so we are still waiting for that detail, and in between the end of this week to next week, it will be hard. Majority of the countries in Africa, some country in Europe, some country in Asia, and some country in South America are eligible. Nigeria is eligible, Cameroon, Ghana, they're eligible, Pakistan, India, they're eligible. So, and some other countries like that, they are all eligible. So, I'm going to, the link, you see more details. So, if it is not you, it could be your brother, it could be your sister, it could be your cousin, it could be your niece. So make sure you share the information with them. And I believe they are going to like it. Like I told you, schooling in Brazil is good opportunity because you go to university for free. You will eat at the university restaurant for free. You can eat money. You can eat in the night. You can eat twice. You can eat, let's say twice. They don't serve twice actually. They do in the morning and in the night. So you can actually do your three-course meal because you can eat twice in the morning and you can eat twice in the night if you want. So, and beside that, also there are other opportunities that are attached. Learning, schooling with people, international students, people of people of different perspective, and rubbing minds with international colleagues and all of that. And beside that, there's also other important opportunities for this current PEC-G scholarship. Here are some key dates you should mark on your calendar. So this 2025, 2024, 2025 PEC-G was announced officially on the 24th of June. From July 22nd to August 16th, you are advised to submit your document at Brazilian embassies and consulates. So from July 22nd to August 26th, embassies and consulates will send the application to Brazil. So from October 15th to 18th, 2024, the selection committee will meet. Then from October 25th, the preliminary results will be announced. From October 25th to November 8th, 2024, you will be able to confirm your acceptance or you want to withdraw. Then from November 14th, final results will be announced. On the 25th of November, instruction for selected students and filling of vacancies will be done. You need to keep an eye on the official PEC-G website and the website of the Brazilian embassy or consulate in your country because it will also be announced in the consulate's website. If you have any question or need more information, drop a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. That is it for today video on PEC-G scholarship program. If you are excited about this opportunity, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks once again for watching, and good luck with your application. Ate logo, ate mais. Ciao, ciao.